subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. OnePlus has launched the OnePlus TV 40Y1 in India today. This is the sixth OnePlus television for the country. As the name suggests, the new model is part of the OnePlus TV Y series. In other words, it is a budget smart TV targeted at first-time buyers. The OnePlus TV 40Y1 sports a 40-inch LED backlit LCD panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, 93% DCI-P3 color gamut, and 93% screen-to-body ratio. The TV features a plastic build, and it can be either placed on a table or wall-mounted. However, unlike the stands that come in the box, the wall mount is sold separately. The television is powered by an unknown 64-bit chipset coupled with 1GB RAM and 8GB internal storage. It runs Android TV 9.0 Pie operating system with Oxygen Play content aggregation service. Further, it supports all the leading streaming services, Google Chromecast, Google Assistant, and even Amazon Alexa. As for connectivity and ports, the TV comes with single-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, 2x HDMI, 2x USB, RF, optical digital audio port, 3-inch -1 avenue composite, and Ethernet. Whereas, for audio, the television features 2x10 watts, 20 watts, speakers with support for Dolby Audio. Last, but not least, the OnePlus TV 40Y1 is also compatible with the OnePlus Connect app for controls and other options. The OnePlus TV 40Y1 is priced at $23,999, $329 in India. However, the television will be selling at a discounted price tag of $21,999, $302. during the first sale on Flipkart, May 26, 12 p.m. It will be also available on the OnePlus online store. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.